Right there guys, it's Danny Hyde again, that dude with the ridiculously dodgy hairdo. Anyway, do you know what day it was yesterday? It was my birthday, my 30th birthday actually. It was supposed to be a happy occasion, but it wasn't, because my barnet's got me feeling like a proper old rusty goat. I'm only 30, I'm not supposed to look like the old dude from Back to the Future. So yeah, the plan for my birthday was to go somewhere that made me feel young again, to make me forget about the state of my balding barnet. So I hired out one of those indoor soft children's play areas, and to be fair, it did the trick. That was of course until some knobhead got out his camera and started filming the top of my head. Just look at that, look how bald I am. I mean, what's that all about? Like, this is why I'm happy that my eyes are at the front of my skull, because usually I can't see the top of my head. Sometimes I just pretend I've got a nice thick head of hair and that makes me happy. But eventually some knobhead will film the top of my head, reminding me of why I'm desperate to get the hair system. I can't keep hiring out soft play areas and sliding down slides in a desperate attempt to hang on to my youth. It makes far more sense to get rid of this dodgy barnet and stick a hair system on my head. So here's to the next chapter of my life, my 30s, when very soon I'll be wearing a hair system. So with a bit of luck, I'll look younger in my 30s than I did for most of my 20s. Bring it on!
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.